So this is day 11 on the recovery truck build. So yeah, thanks for all the comments after yesterday's video, and yeah, they're all correct. It is, you know, it is just a work truck and it's going to get scratched anyway. But when I before I start doing something, I'll have the finished product in my mind, and then when it doesn't come out the way it looks in my head, then it just stresses me out. But you know, it doesn't normally happen, because if this was customers, I would never have painted it. You know, I get asked to paint stuff all the time, whether I can paint a roll cage or paint this and that, and I always just say no, for this reason. So anyway, that was yesterday. Today's a new day, and I'm going to get the body on today, and hopefully get the winch bolted up and wired in. But yeah, let's start with getting the body on the back. Got my winch all bolted on. I'm going to weld the nuts underneath, just get a couple of tacks on them, just because a few people have said about doing that so it can't get nicked, which I think is a good idea. This is a bit annoying. The longest cable is the yellow one, which goes here, and the black and the red one are short, and the red one has to go to here. So you have to have the box slid right over to this edge instead of having it in the middle, and the wiring just looks a bit like not right. Got my little lights on. So I'm leaving my my rusty chassis legs for now, and I'll probably get to doing that after my chassis snapped in half. So the winch is basically wired up, so the cable goes through and it just comes through in there, straight into the battery box under the seat. I've got a load of these little adhesive things that a cable tie goes through for tying your cables up to. If you just stick these straight on, they're not that great, but if you heat them up to melt the glue and then stick them on, they literally never come off. So I'm going to basically run a load of these under that rail to tie my cable to, and then same underneath this, just to tidy up my cables at the back. Right, so that's it for today. I can't put any of the alley bits in because I've ordered some tape to basically just put a layer of tape in between the aluminium and the box section, just so if it ever wears through the paint somehow, it's not going to be aluminium on steel. So that's hopefully that'll be here tomorrow, and then tomorrow morning I just got to go and get a load of rivets, and then I can basically get all the checker plate on hopefully tomorrow if that tape turns up, and get the mud guards fitted, and then yeah, I've still got to make another ramp yet, haven't done that. But yeah, so quick question with regards to like the videos is would you prefer videos that are spread over a couple of days and have more in them, maybe like a 15-20 minute video with a lot more, you know, like a couple of days work in it, or do you prefer everyday videos? And would you want to see more of just like all the other little jobs and stuff that's going on, as opposed to like just focusing on specific builds, which I can't always do every day because other jobs come in and have to be done. So so what I'm getting at is, would you rather just sort of like an everyday update of what's going on, whether it's with a build or whether it's just another little job, or you know, whatever. So that's what I'm getting at basically. So yeah, anyway, that is it for this one. Hopefully we can get the alley on tomorrow, and then it should look, you know, pretty much there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.